you see me? Well, hello student. Welcome back to ITV. So, what's we gonna learn today? It's all about vision. We have here, lots of professors, doctors to teach you on vision. So, let's move to the first chapter. Hi, I am Dr. Ilya.
Now we learn about accessory structure of the eye. Firstly is eyelids. Its function is to protect the eye and provide lubrication. This is eyelashes and this is eyebrows. They used to protect the eye from perspiration, direct sunlight and foreign objects. Then, this is one example of lacriminal apparatus inside the eye that used to produce a drain lacriminal fluid, which is tears. Lastly is eye muscle that used to move the eyeball.
Hi, I'm Dr. Amar.
And hi, I am Dr. Nabila. Today we are going to introduce about the layers of the eyes. It is divided into 3 layers. It is fibrous tunic, vascular tunic and retina. Now I am going to talk about the fibrous tunic. Fibrous tunic is the outer coat of the eyeball. It consists of anterior cornea and posterior sclera. The first structure is the cornea. Cornea is a transparent fibrous coat that covers the colored iris. It helps to focus light rays onto the retina. The second structure is the sclera. Sclera is the white part of the eye. It is a coat of dense connective tissue that covers all of the entire eyeball except the cornea. The sclera is the brown part that's shown in the picture. It gives the shape of the eyeball and make it more rigid and protect its inner part. The third part is conjunctiva. It is an epithelial layer that covers the sclera but not the cornea and lines the inner surface of the eyelid.
The second layer is vascular tunic. Vascular tunic is the middle layer of the eyeball and is composed of the choroid, ciliary body and iris. The first one is choroid. Choroid is the thin membrane that lines most of the internal surface of sclera, which is the yellow one. Its function to absorb straight light ray. The second one is ciliary body. It's been divided into 2, which is ciliary process and ciliary muscle. Function of them is first to secrete a fluid called aqueous humor, and the second one is to alter the shape of the lens. The third one is lens. It is a transparent structure that focuses light ray on the retina. The fourth one is zonular fiber. It is attached the lens to the ciliary muscle and hold the lens in position. The fifth is iris. It is a colorless part of the eyeball. The function is to control the amount of light enter the eye. And the last one is the pupil. It allows light enter the eyeball.
When the light is stimulated by bright light, the parasympathetic division of the autonomic nervous system causes contraction of the circular muscles of the iris. When the eye must adjust to dim light, the sympathetic division of the autonomic nervous system causes the radial muscles to contract, which increases the size of your pupil.
Hi, I am Dr. Shafeera.
Hi, I am Dr. Anis Ashiki.
Hi kids, this is the microscope structure of the retina. So what is inside the retina? Firstly, retina have photoreceptor. The photoreceptor composed of rod and cone. The rod is to see shades of grey in dim light, while cone giving rise to a highly acute color vision. There are 3 cones in the retina, which are blue cones, green cones, and red cones. So what is this? This is the bipolar cell. And this is the ganglion cell. And here are the retinal blood vessels. The synaptic terminal located here. And lastly, the optic nerve axon here.
And now I'm going to tell you about the visual pathway of the light from the retina to the brain. First, it starts from the retina, and then it passes through to the ganglion cell, and then to the bipolar cell, and to the both synaptic terminal, and end at the photoreceptor. At the photoreceptor, it will convert the light into the nerve impulse, and the nerve impulse will send to the brain.
Retina. Retina lines the posterior 3/4 of the eyeball and beginning of the visual pathway. It has 2 layers, the neural layer and pigmented layer. The neural layer is a multi-layer outgrowth of the brain. It has 3 distinct layers of retinal neurons, the photoreceptor layer, bipolar cell layer, and ganglion cell layer. The pigmented layer of the retina is a sheet of melanin-containing epithelial cells located between the choroid and neural part of the retina. It helps to absorb stray light rays. For the normal vision, the light will enter the eye through pupil, passing eye lens until the part of the retina that is fovea. As for the myopia or nearsightedness, it occurs when the eyeball is too long, causing the image form in front of the fovea. Then, for the hyperopia, also known as farsightedness, it occurs when the eyeball is too short, causing the image form behind the fovea or retina.
Hi students, I'm Dr. Amal and I'm Dr. Liana. Today we will conduct an experiment on titled image formation. Okay, first of all, as we can see here, this represents the object, and this lens represents our eyes lens, and this aperture represents our ciliary muscle in our eye, and in this screen represents our retina. This is the image formation on our retina. From this experiment, the characteristics of image are inverted, real, and diminished.
Hi, I will explain to you about visual pathway. After stimulation of the light in the retina, the rod and the cones trigger electrical signal in bipolar cell. Bipolar cell then transmit both signal to ganglion cell in the retina. The ganglion cell become depolarized and transmit nerve impulse. The axon of the ganglion cell will exit the eyeball as optic nerve and extend posteriorly to the optic chiasm. Here, the optic chiasm. In the optic chiasm, each of the axon of each eyeball will split into 2 to move into the opposite side of the brain. The optic nerve
will move into the thalamus. Here in the thalamus, the axon will synapse with the neuron. Then it will signal to the brain. Because of the cross of the axon in the optic chiasm, each brain, left brain and right brain, will receive the signal from each of the right eye and left eye. Here in the brain, the interpretation of the visual sensation takes place.